Hello guys. So many people are started asking what is the strategy, what to look into this, and it looks like too much of noisy. So that is the reason I'm making this video because many people are not used to this particular order blocks and all. Okay, so I will explain the strategy here. Okay, so you can observe. Okay, in Nifty, for example, this is Monday market. Okay, whenever you see the order block plus, then it start rejecting. It will start going here and come back to this particular level, and it fail to go down here, which means market is started rejecting above, rejecting below, and so that the market will start go up. Okay, so here whenever it crosses the previous pivot line, for example, now this one here, this one crossed here. Okay, when you enter here, you can target 1 raised to 2. Okay, 1.5, but based on your SL you have to decide, because many people what they will do, SL will be too much. Okay, in here if you take this order block, there's a two order block, right? If you are taking this order block, then it will be like 1 raised to 2. Okay, 1 raised to 2, it will be here how much it will be, 1 raised to 1 you can able to take, but you have to be very careful when there is a too much of very big candles. Okay, you have to satisfy yourself with the 1 raised to 1 target, that's all. Okay, then whenever you see here, right, you can see this one also minus, it is keep on going and coming back here, and you can target this much, 1 raised to the 1 raised to 2 you can keep, but see, okay, so whenever you see mitigation sell, okay, resistance is nothing but, I can't use the sell word here, so that is the reason. Mitigation sell, I have mitigation resistance you can take. Whenever you see mitigation sell, there is a before that you have to check if there is a order block minus is existing for sell trade. Okay, then you can take a trade. Okay, here what is the thing is, like, see, any one of the mitigation it will work. Okay, here I mean SL got hit, the only thing is market went till this order block. Okay, when market goes, you have to expect like some or other order block it will get reject. Okay, so there's a two order block minus this candle and this candle. Okay, market went till this order block, that is the reason order block is very important in the market, so that it took a rejection here. Okay, it took a rejection and started going down. Okay, so you can like see, whenever you see here it already got mitigated, you can enter here also if you want, so that you will get what is that, less rejection, I mean what is that, less SL you can able to keep it. So here 1 raised to 1 is enough. Then see here order block plus, here you can clearly see it got support from the fair value gap. See, another thing, you can observe diamond here. This is very much important. You can, if you have the subscribed version of trading view, you can do a alert actually. Okay, king order block, see, bullish OB order block plus FEG stack, which is a which is called as a this particular diamond. What will happen whenever you see order block plus FEG, there's a too much of chance whenever a market comes down to this level and started getting rejected. So too much of time, many times it will start going towards the other side. Okay, that is the reason I'm keeping FEG also like order block also. Whenever it get rejected from here, then there is a order block. Okay, listen carefully, then there is a order block. Then whenever it crosses the mitigation top, so this particular mitigation support or mitigation buy I kept, because whenever you need confirmation, after the confirmation only you can able to enter. Okay, sometimes what will happen is whenever market ranges, right, it is keep on ranging, then it will go up and started going down. Okay, to avoid this you have to wait for this particular pivot, previous pivot to be crossed actually. Okay, then you have to enter 1 raised to 2, and then here also mitigation OB plus crossed 1 raised to 2. Okay, here clearly it only one strategy. This particular king order block will you have to keep in mind. You need in the market, you don't need too many strategies to make yourself profitable. Okay, you need only one strategy, that's all. Okay, that is all. I have kept it this. I thought I explained this for the only paid users, but people are not understanding what is the use of this, and started feeling too much of noisy. So in detail market mapping it will give. Okay, it's not like simple anyone can do, but most of the times what will happen is like you will get, whenever there's a ranging you will get you won't get clarity why there is a ranging. Okay, too much of for example, whenever there's a range that you can observe order block plus minus like that, it is keep on too much of order blocks will be market will be handling. That is the reason there is a then you can able to see, for example, if I want to show you. So here is a ranging. Okay, you won't understand why there's a range. When you turn on this, you can observe there's a too much of order blocks here. Okay, that is the reason you will get this kind of order blocks. So very much important. See, for example, why crossing the pivot point is very important is like this one. So what I'm saying is, you can whenever you can enter, whenever it come here, you would have entered here, entered in this candle, this green candle, or here. Okay, whenever your market comes down to here, you would have entered, which means in every order block you would be placing an order, right? So it should not be case, it should not be that case, because whenever market started moving, I mean from that particular level, so from this level it has to cross this particular pivot top or this pivot top. Market did not happen, gave this opportunity here. See market how it got crashed and how it took FEG as a support here and went till here. See, okay, so then here it took actually. Okay, OB plus rejected, enter here, enter for this one. Okay, whenever I kept this one. Okay, whenever it started moving, see what I'm saying is, if you are okay, so it is better give this much of SLs than the losing this much of move, right? That is the reason, like if there is any rejection, clear rejection, you can see, you can enter. See here you have got rejection here, two candles came here. For us, you can keep this one also 1:5. If you keep this 1:5 is there, if you keep this candle 2.5, you can get like that. Okay, see here order block, this one rejected here, you can enter here only. Okay, you will get huge trend before coming. See 9:15 it is not yet converted, then also you can able to enter here because of this particular order block and this particular indicator. Okay, here FEG is there, that is the reason of what I am saying. You can expect retracement whenever you see FEG. You have to expect the retracement. Till when? You should not cross this FEG, below FEG. Till here you can able to hold it. Till when you can able to, till when what level you can hold it? You can hold it till this FEG. Okay, so whenever market crosses order block will be coming. Okay, it has to get rejected, then cross the pivot. Okay, then you have to enter 1:2. Whole market I can show you this whole day. Okay, I don't think that is necessary, but this is a strategy. You have to enter you only need one strategy here, that's all. See here in 1 minute, what I'm saying is, in 1 minute 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, in full day you got 7 trades. In that, you consider, even if you trace the SLs, trace the SLs in here in the beginning, right? Here you have to trace the SLs. Okay, here you would have got like break even. whenever you market moves till here, you could have moved your SL till here. Okay, you easily get at least 1:1 or 1:0.5 something. Okay, here you got 1:1. Considering the SL is too much high, it will be risky. At least 1:1 you could have exit. Okay, here 1:2 pakka movement. Here also pakka movement. Here also pakka movement. Here also 1:2. Here again 1:2. Why I am saying is, so if you see the, what is that, 3 minutes more, 3 minutes candle, right? Here also you can see order block here, 10:57 order block. Then this particular candle, one second, how much time? 11, right? 11:18. 11:18 here, or 10:57, it went started going up. Okay, sorry, here order block is there. This is the bottom. Here it crossed, already crossed. In 3 minutes, it will be, whenever hit SL in the 3 minute, it will be huge loss for you. So you have to bear whenever, if you get the profit also that much. So what I'm saying is, it's better to take like small trades in the market than the giving a huge losses in the 3 minute and wait for the 1:2 movement. 1:2 movement will happen in the market. See how much time you have to wait till here, 1:2 to reach 1:2, 1:3. It went till 1:3. Okay, how much time it took? Almost a whole day, right? Like it went here, come back here, till this FEG, till this FEG, it came back and returned here, rejected from here. So that is the reason this power of this indicator. Like if you see the FEG, fair value gap, till how much, whenever you can expect it till here, till crosses, till above order block. But no, there is a FEG. You have to observe FEG, and you have to expect retracement. Till when? With this retracement, till this FEG, you can expect the retracement, or there's another FEG or order block. Here also you can observe. Okay, it took how much ever you can expect. But see, because of this FEG got rejected, you could have entered till here, from at least till here, re-enter here. Okay, you will get an idea. So without this FEG or something, like, you won't be having any idea. Like, it will be a normal thing, normal movement for you. You will expect market will go down. It comes here and it comes down. You would have expect, whenever you are in this particular candle, you would expect it will come down. Okay, not like that. If you put this particular candles, like this particular indicator, then only you will get an idea, like, okay, there is a FEG, it is started going up. Okay, like that. Only one strategy, one indicator. That's all. That's all you wanted. You always want to see the order block rejection, or order block plus FEG stack will be there. Matlab, this one. There's a whenever you see this particular diamond, you have to be very alert. Okay, you have to be very alert in the market, so that you have to expect like rejection from this particular level. Okay, whenever you see this particular diamond signal, okay, it will come down. You have to expect the rejection. If the market comes down here, then this is not valid. Okay, many times it will happen. In market, it will definitely happen. Like the first candle and all, it will definitely get rejected. I can show you any number of times how much it can show too much of noisy. Okay, but what I'm saying is, you will definitely see how nicely order block got created and came down here. They got rejected. Mitigation buy. Okay, 1:2. 1:2. Here also another order block is there. This also got rejected. So you will be having a double confirmation here. Right, 1:5. You could, if you trace this one, it will be a huge stop loss will be happening. You can expect 1:1.5 here, and maybe 1:1 from this below level. Okay, like that. How much ever you can afford, you have to add only that much. Okay, you see how nicely it got rejected here. You could have, see, whenever, what I'm saying is, whenever you whenever market gives you like rejection from here, it is better to take trades. Like, you, otherwise huge moment you can able to capture it. Okay, So you can ask here, you will get you will be losing it. Yeah, of course here will be losing it actually. Okay, that is the reason if you have to wait for the confirmation, right? So here, see this, whenever it got rejected but market started coming down here, see here you would have at least, you would have got like exited like very minimum SL here. Okay, that's what I am saying. Profit will be huge. So in Nifty, what will happen is, in many time you won't get like too much of trades in 3 minutes or something. That time, what I'm saying is like you can shift to 1 minute so that you can capture one, two, three like that. Okay, whenever market gives you like this. This is Wednesdays. Okay, previous week's Wednesday, and see how nicely. If there is any rejection, this indicator have to show that signal at any cost. Okay, see here, mitigation buy. What I'm saying is, here SL got, here our SL got hit. Definitely, I will agree. Okay, but that is the reason. Like, if there is a SL got hit, but see this level, it is keep on getting rejected. Then why are you not re-entering it? Re-entering the market. You can observe how huge one huge, what is that, huge fall down came. This order block minus mitigation sell came. Okay, you, I mean, also like there's a huge up till here, you can expect. That is what I'm saying. And whenever you see mitigation sell or mitigation resistance signal, this is a little bit older one. That's what it's showing here. Okay, older version. I have changed this to mitigation resistance. Okay. So whenever you see this particular signal, why are you not trading? Right? It got rejected. Of course, I agree. Here you get an SL for sure. Okay, but see, you can always re-enter, because see how many times this particular market got rejected from this particular level. So okay, that is the reason. Like you could always re-enter. Then also it is getting like slant trending downtrend line actually. Okay, but you could have entered at least till here, from here till when. Oh my god, see, this is a 3 minute candle. If you capture this, it will be a huge profit. 1 raised to how much? 1 raised to 100. Oh, 1 second, 1 raised to 4 times. Yeah, almost 100 points. Target 110.30. Yeah, so almost like 1 raised to 4 is a huge thing actually. Like it will be too much. 1 raised to 3 here. Okay, you can easily capture this much. That is what I'm saying. Like the only one strategy you have to observe. You have to observe this. Whenever there's a OB minus, you have to mitigation sell, OB plus mitigation buy, which is support or mitigation support or mitigation resistance. That's all. Only one strategy you can observe in this particular indicator. Other than that, you always like observe like this. Instead of this, you can see this indicator, like it will be a more faster, I mean better one, because whenever you market comes here, it will give the ranges. This king order block also will give you the ranges. Okay, to like expect like see, whenever you turn on this one, consolidation, okay, you can expect this one. So whenever you are trading inside this one, you can be more careful. That's what this indicator like whenever you see this one, okay, mitigation sell is there, but you have to be careful. Then in this indicator, at least if you waited, whenever this particular ranging would have saved you, right? That is what this particular ranging is. Okay, and see how order block got rejected and mitigation sell came, and again huge fall till order block plus. That's all you can expect. See, whenever you see a immediate order block, you can expect only that much. Okay, and here again it got rejected from here in this particular order block. See how nicely it got rejected from here. Okay, again, so it's like whenever market is ranging, there will be a positive OB plus in the bottom, OB minus in the top. That's all. See, OB plus to minus, OB minus to again, till order block this one it got rejected again and started moving up. Okay, like that you everything will get mapped in this particular indicator. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Like I hope this particular video like clarifies your doubt regarding the why it is too much noisy and what is the use of it. Clear detailed structure of the market it will be applying, and I have already told you the strategy, what is my strategy using this particular indicator, so that you can observe that in the market. Okay, see this. And another one is, I have already, like, if you are thinking this is too much noisy, there is always another option I gave, smart trend. Okay, where you can easily capture the whole trend. If you doing the, I mean, trailing the this particular SL, you can capture huge trend for sure, but only if trend comes in the market. Okay, otherwise you will be keep on hitting the SLs because of the, see how much ever retracement and went up and coming down again, how many times it will hit the, any indicator is useless whenever market ranges. Okay, that is the reason I fed up with all the indicators. Even this, yes, this also will hit SLs. Okay, see how many ranges. If you got like whenever you see, then also that is the reason I have made this indicator, like indicate the ranges and all. Like you could be safe in this one, instead of started whenever it retracement and started recovering, you would have entered here. You have to be wait for some time to, I mean, you inside the, still inside the range, you can be safer trade, you can do it. Okay, that is the reason I gave this. And if you hit 1 2 3 4 SLs in the market, that's all, your whole capital will be gone. You would have made like one trade here, huge trade, but if you hit the 4 SLs, the it will be, losses will be more than the profit. Okay, that's for sure. That is the reason I developed these all concept, like ranging detection and this one and all, you, so that you can trade very safely. You can think like it can be, it's too much noisy, and the reason this much of I mean, what is that, this much of indication is required, because of that you can trade safely. Okay, any candle, see, I can show you this one. Okay, Lux Algo signals and overlays. I have, if you search this, yearly based, yearly 36,000 indicator. This is one is the 36,000 indicator. Still, I am not using it. I am telling you truly, because I am not using it. You can see this. Okay. Still, I am not using it because, like, there is something called sensitivity. Okay, whenever I set this to 6, then you will get more more signals. Okay, it will give you the nice signal, but also like it will give you too much of signals, and so that buy sell buy sell buy sell kind of a thing, and you will start getting lose the money. Okay, so trust me, I bought this one, and I was still facing the facing the loss in the market. That is the reason to overcome this. Whenever the whatever the indicator which doesn't have the sensitivity, I had to develop that one. So that is the reason I came up with smart trend, where there is no trend. Whenever you apply any market, that's fine. You trade, wait for the retracement and going back, you enter here, take the SL still here, wait for it. That's all. You can trace anything. Whenever smart buy comes, you only buy, you concentrate only on buy. Whenever sell comes, only concentrate on sell. Whenever sell comes, immediately it turned it into buy. Okay, you, if would have entered here, you would have lost this much SL. Okay, that is the reason, always wait for retracement. if you are ready to take this much of SL, then you can enter, no problem. Okay, here smart buy came and SL is this one. Okay, here again it got hit, then market went up. So I mean, there's a huge after 2 o'clock you should not trade usually. It will be a ranging market. After 3 you should not trade at all. Okay, see, market sell retracement, then you have to wait for till here, then you enter. Whenever it started recovering, then you enter till here. This is very much simple. It cannot be simpler than this, that's for sure. The indicator which cannot be simpler than this. Also I am giving you, I mean, safest to trade safely way. Like you can see, whenever it goes here, you would have like think like it went here, you enter here. No, there's a still ranging. You can see this in the this one. See, when another strategies in box, you have to wait for, whenever a candle crosses the box, you have to wait for retracement and the recovery has to happen. Whenever market will start recovery, then only you can enter. Okay, see, you would have entered here. Whenever market comes down here, you will get panicking. Okay, if you would have entered from here, you would have easily captured till here. At least trailing you can do it. You can get, I mean, losses won't be happening. Okay, here it will be huge loss. Here it will be, you would have sell in the bottom actually. Then the market moves again towards the upper side. That is the reason I'm keep on saying, remember these 3 things, like market breakout, this box breakout or order block, whenever moves towards the order block, move upper side from the order block, then wait for the retracement and recover. Breakout, retracement and recover, retracement or retest in the market parameters. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Wait for the breakout, retracement and recover, then enter. Here market went up and started recovering it, here you can enter. At least you won't lose the money. That is the reason I gave this particular ranging things. Okay, otherwise if you really want to lose money, or I mean in a ranging market, then you can use this one. Here also I clearly given the indicator, like see this. Here you will definitely lose money in the ranging market. So what I'm saying is, if indicator is too much simpler, then you will definitely lose money in the ranging market. Okay, so you have to understand this particular to best. You have to understand, only stick to one strategy which king order block gives. I made like many profits, or I have been very careful when I have saved by this one, by not taking any more trades using this indicator. Only one strategy, one indicator, that's all. Okay, that's all guys. So yeah, this is the demo and strategy of mine. Like in smart trend, you just have to wait for smart buy, smart buy, retracement, and whenever market started recovering, then you enter. Otherwise don't enter. So that's all, simple. 2 indicators you need to have, and lovely levels also. What can you expect? You expect the levels in the market, so that you can trade only in those levels. Okay, it's better working in the 1 minute in the Indian market. See how nicely, see, whenever you trade this one, see, whenever you are, this is for the double confirmation. Okay, this is the entry. When you consider this side, this is the entry. It already like whenever this lovely levels gave you this particular level, you are trading in this particular level, which is a double confirmation. How much you can expect from this level to this one is 1x. Okay, from this one to this one, another 1x. Okay, see how much time, how many times it got ranging, see that. Okay, so you can expect from this level to this level. Okay, 1x from 0.5 here, this level to this level is a 1x. So this is where like lovely levels comes in handy. Okay, only you can only trade in the level by level, from this level to this level. Whenever there is a retracement, this level to this one, or till here, like that you can keep on tracing. You can observe the changes in the market level by level. Okay, so here see how many times it got rejected from this particular level. right? See, if you see this here, it would be ranging in this particular time, right? So that is the reason. So in that time, lovely, only three indicators is very much important. Okay, one thing is lovely levels, smart trend, and the king order block. Okay, this is all you need to make yourself a profit. I'm clearly telling you, to make yourself a profit, only these three indicators is needed. Another three I will explain. Okay, another three I will explain what is the concept behind on another three indicators. For example, deep trending, right? Deep trending. So you would see, this is a session by session you can trade. This is a half an hour session. This is half an hour session, and you have to avoid some sessions where you will lose money. So see how nicely, whenever after this trend market, after this particular session, you can observe how nicely it completely turn the market. So this is very much early. No indicators can give you the buy signal for this particular candle in the Indian market. Okay, because the market is already down. Okay, in this particular, whenever you started this session, suddenly it started giving buy. If you would have captured too much of profit over here, means like you would have captured too much of movement here. Okay, because like it's very much early actually. Okay, this, but it will be also comes with a risky. Okay, but what you have to do, only half an hour one trade. If you consider yourself like a if you want to be a profitable, you have to like bound yourself with not doing the over trading. Max, if you do even half an hour per session one trade, then there will be a 13 trade only. Okay, you should not cross buy sell, sell buy sell. You should not cross the more than 13 trades in a day. It's a huge mistake. If you are doing it, it's a huge mistake. I have done it. That is the reason I am telling you, I have came up with all these methods to avoid those mistakes. Okay, so yeah, deep trend is this much, dividing sessions, dividing the market in a half an hour sessions. So that also why I chosen this one, there's a logic behind it. Okay, so this is the reason. Okay, you can save if you just need this 6 indicators. I already told you lux indicator I have used by giving 36,000. That is also not usable at all. Okay, that's all guys, thank you so much.